Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I said I was going to show you what my hair looks like when I want to make it, and this is it. Doesn't look really bad. So I put the leave-in though. Why is my leaf so dry? I put the leave-in, and it's time to make my hair. Let's see what I'm making. So this is what I'm making, and I want this look, but mine is going to be half pattern. My lips are super dry, so let's see how it's gonna be. I'm going to be putting more leave-in. When this my leave-in finish, I'm just wondering where I'm going to get it, because I don't know. See my hair. Oh, I feel good. See my hair. My hair is growing. Let me comb it. Whoa. Like, I'm just feeling myself. I feel super good in my hair. Let's see my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be doing half button. I think I'll do this side, this side, this side. Yeah, I'll do half part. So I'm using my pomade. My best oil ever. Yeah, this is my best oil ever. Okay. Like, I have to seal in that moisture before I make the hair. I have to. With you. So I've never made half pattern for myself before. It was a struggle for me to get that angle that I was making it, but I was happy I got it anyway. So I don't know why the hair keep tangling together, but that is the problem of natural hair. So anyway, so this is how I weave my hair, and I hope you can also try to do this, although sometimes it's not funny, but I enjoy doing it. So anyway, and when I weave it down, I added the one from the first one to it, and weave everything together, because I can't leave it one as far as, because I want to crochet it. So this is what I'll be doing. I will show you what I get after weaving the whole hair together. want to do it up to here. So this was so I make the front a bit smaller, but the back I cut it super big. Like I think I only have like 4 or 5 at the back, but I had more in front. I just need the front to be cool, but the back, anyhow I do it, I know it's going to be cool. So when you look at it, you see that I have big ones at the back and I have smaller one in front, which doesn't really change anything. It's still crochet, and I will still like get the kind of outcome that I wanted. That is what I have. So this is the crochet I'll be using, and this is what it looks like you open it up, it's not like the regular crochet, but it's still easy, still the same method. So I just put in my crochet pin, then open it up, put the extension inside the pin, close it, pull it out. So I'm just going to take one side and use it to lock it up, just like this, just one side, so that the other side can pull it out. So that is about it, and that is how I'm going to be crocheting the whole hair. I think the crocheting part took me like 30 minutes because at some point I had to stop to go and do some things, then come back. So but that is just how to crochet it. It's not difficult. When you pull it out, in fact you can use your hand like I'm doing to just take one of it to just lock it down. And taking it out as well is not difficult. It's like the same way you put it in is the same way you're going to take it out, and I'll be showing you when I want to take it out how I take it out. It's not a difficult thing. So if you are new to this channel, you're welcome to this channel. On this channel we do everything hair and wig, your protective hairstyle, knowing your hair, and we talk about wig revamping, and the kind of product you can use for your hair and your wig. So this is what I have. I've crocheted all the back, and that middle part I want to close it up a bit so that my pattern will just be tiny. So I kept adding and adding, and it's so funny that the more I add, the more it looks like I'm not adding anything. I was wondering what is going on here. Anyway, so that's about it. And for our returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, thank you for always tuning in. You are well appreciated. And for people that has been watching our video without subscribing, please subscribe. And guess what, subscription is free. You don't have to pay anything for it. And for our returning subscriber, for our new subscriber, for people that has been watching our videos, God bless you all. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload videos. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. So I was wondering if it's something that they could just stay together, but no, because this wig, this crochet is a bouncing kind of crochet. So at first I didn't like it. I was wondering, okay, what is this? And I didn't want to trim it. I didn't want it trim at all. Like I didn't want it trim, because if I trim it, it's going to be shorter, and I don't want it to be shorter. I want to be able to pack it when I want to pack it, but if I trim it, I might not have that luxury. So I was just trying different things to see what will work. So I think the picture I saw, it was trimmed, but no, I don't want to trim it. So before I go today, I need to tell you that God loves you, okay? God loves you and is always, always ready to hear you. Don't be tired. Don't be weary. Don't give up. Just know that no matter the situation you are, God loves you and is always, always there for us. He's always there with you. So don't lose heart. Keep praying. Keep trusting. All things work together for good for those that love God and those that are called by his name. So, yeah, know that God loves you. So I wore my cap on it and I love it. After everything, like, I love it. And this is the final look after I put myself together. I hope you like this video. Kindly give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to other people. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You know, your subscription is very important. See what it looks like. I love it. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.